Hi guys, today I'll show you Hyundai Poter2 Frozen truck, dual comp. This is wide and longest and then highest. Of course, have no accident. This is 2019 model. Very longer, that's why I have two door. Nice quality. Almost brand new tires. Rear tire also. Look at the chassis. There is no rust. Clean. Also have brand new spare tires. Chassis number. We'll start engine. Engine is a little hot now. I will show you. Hold on a second. There is no lavacas, no jumping oil, and you see the black color, new one. Engine block and injector is new one, changed this year. That's why. Nice quality, no leak. Clean and no lavacas. Very hard to find like this condition. Made by 2019. So hot today. Okay, this is for checking temperature. Going down. Going down. Air condition is working good. and Frozen. Set. There is a set. Set until minus 35 and 39. Until minus 39. Let's check temperature later. Now 25. Check later again. And heating side mirror, heating sheet, heating stringer, and there is rear camera and rear sensor. Also have dash cam.
공공기관 우선구매 대상 기업 고려 기프트.
String remote, string wheel remote is working good. Also working good. Here also. All function is working perfect. Side mirror, folding side mirror, and window. All working perfect. Light, auto light. There is auto light. Okay. Perfect condition. Okay, let's test drive. Actually, we have many Frozen truck here also. Hyundai Kia. That's why you don't have to worry about the condition. We are already professional about Hyundai Kia. And we already test drive around 100 kilometers from first owner. It was so nice, nothing to fix. There is no sound from steering wheels. Especially very hard to find like this longest and biggest and highest Frozen truck, almost 2 ton. Engine sound is very smooth. And here is also my parking space. Many Hyundai Kia. Okay, it's a perfect condition. You don't have to worry about the condition. It's so nice, huh? Good transmission. And you see the temperature all over 25, right? Now 17, still going down. Let's check. I'll show you headlight. Oh, one is not working. I will change it. Okay. Woo! It's a pretty car. It's a one still going down. Minus 1, -2, -3. Still going down. It's a working good. Oh. Okay guys, this is perfect condition. Best Buy. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.